Hello, Superstar. Quickly, I want to share with you my typical trading and how I trade. If you're looking at my screen, this is how I trade, my routine trading. Number one, I look at market structure. Market structure is king, like they said. I establish a trend. Number two, I look for trend to see if I can establish a trend, whether up, down trend. And number three, I look out for reversal pattern. Basically, I like double top. I like double bottom. Look out for head and shoulder pattern. These are what I look out for. Or I could look out for pullback. Now, if it's a uptrend, I can identify a pullback where I can get into the market. Then I start looking out for reversal candle. Now, once I find my reversal candle, then we're good to go. My reversal candle can be a pin buy, could be buyer's rejection, it could be seller's rejection, it could be an engulfing candle. These are a few candles I use for my reversal candles. Then entry, establish my entry and my exit. So this being said, quickly, let's dive into a chart and see how we can do this. So if you're here, this is my typical chart, how my chart look. This is what currency pairs is. This is Euro GBP, a beautiful pair. So this is how my chart looks like. So like from this chart, I do not know whether it's a buy or sell. But again, by the time I do my technical analysis, I'll begin to see what it is for what it is. So that being said, quickly, let's look at this first. So I start with my market structure, established market structure. So I go to the higher time frame, say weekly time frame. Good. Now, if you look at weekly time frame, you see this has been on a steady uptrend up until this point. So here, so can I find a correlation? I use my trend line. I pick it up from here. There's a sharp drop here. So let's see if I can find a trend. So I try to relate with this. Now it can be as perfect, but you can draw it as much as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. But again, it can always give you the best of trend. A touch. You need a minimum of 3 touch to determine a trend. I'm sure I've got more than 3. Yes, there's a touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here. Came down here, touch here, touch here, touch here. Then currently where price is now, I need to establish one more touch here. Okay. I think this is beautiful. So on weekly time frame, I've been able to establish a trend. So the next thing I want to do is see if I can get a channel using the magic of trend line. Bring this closer. Now this is how you know if your trend line is correct. It will touch other point. Anywhere you take it, this is magic of trend line here. You can see how it's established. Bring it down here. Did you see that? This makes sense. So I could take it up a little bit. Whoa, this is awesome. So there's a touch here. So guess what? I create a channel. I love channel. I like to see movement of price. Okay, this is perfect. So this is on a weekly time frame. So you can see we've been able to establish market direction. So I go down to lower time frame, say daily. Let's see daily what it is. So we've been able to establish this. This is the movement for weeks. So price drop down, goes up again. It finds a way down here for weeks, it then comes. So there's another. So if I take this, you find out that we might be able to establish another trend here. Can you see that? Look at it here, touched here, came down. I could still move it up a little bit. Here, exactly. So you see this, you see this, you see this. Same here, same here, same here. So you keep going down. Okay, can you see that? Awesome, this is beautiful. So these are fake outs, eventually came in and then continue this way, but that's fine. So being able to get exactly what I see. If you look at this lower end, price maintain the same trend down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then here is up again. So this is daily time frame. So what do I need to find out here? So I need to start drawing my market structure where my major support. Clearly, you see this is a resistance. We won't doubt this. Respected here, and again I have my double top here. So you see my lines are things are beginning to align for me. So this another, this is support, strong support, please, here, here. If I want to draw another one, I think these two are just okay for now on daily time frame. So I go down to, so already I've established, and again, look at it, I've established a double top. See here, you see here. And then 2 is my trend. So what's the assurance that price will drop here? I have my trend here, my support, my resistive line here, my resistance. If I need another resistance, it could just be up here, but this is just fine. So this is a double top. So already looking for pullback, this is a double top already. Now, why will it hold? I'm not sure if it will hold, but again, I have more reasons to believe it's good. Number one, it follows my trend. So even if it's not going to hold my trend, it supports my trend. 2, I found a resistance where price is. Number 3, I found an engulfing, sorry, I found a double top. So I have a double top here. So I have 3 strong reasons market structure. So I go down to lower time frame, say 4 hours to begin to find entry. So on 4 hours, what do I need? Look at it here. Similar thing. Here it formed double top, price dropped. Now this is the second time it forming double top here. So what do I need here? I need price to begin to give way. And here price got up here, but it's beginning to look like price is not going to go beyond here because we have 2 reasons. I have my trend here and I have my resistance line here. So that being said, quickly, so what am I looking for now? I found 1, I found 2, I found 3, I found 4. So the next one is to begin to find entry. So on 4-hour time frame, I need to wait for a reversal candle. So I need to see reversal candle, which is my last, the last parameter I'm looking for. So if I go to 1-hour time frame, this is my line. So price still below here, even if it goes above here, no challenge. So I'm going to wait here for price to give me a reversal candle, or and you can see this is exactly what I'm looking for. A reversal candle followed by a sell candle, maybe an engulfing candle, and it gives me entry. I can begin to glide it down. Again, you see here at every point of reversal, you see it. See here. Here again, you can see it. Here, you saw it here. It sold here, reversed, and came back, and price continues to go up. So again, we are at this point. I expect price to drop down, and that hasn't happened. So this is where patience come into trading. So in every strategy, add patience to it, and you get the best of it. So at this point, I'm waiting for a reversal. As soon as I get reversal, I don't jump into this because it's giving me almost 4/5 of what I'm looking for. I want 5/5. So I want a reversal candle. As soon as I get a reversal candle, guess what? I'll take it. So here, where is my exit strategy? Now clearly you see this on the lower time frame, 1-hour time frame. You see a subtle uptrend. Look at it. Whether you like it or not, you can see an uptrend here. So what that means, if I go to 4-hour time frame, you see this. What that means that my first target is going to be somewhere around this zone. So whether it breaks here or not, I want to target something around this zone. My stop is going to be above this point. So here could be a very safe zone. So, but I want, so from here, if I find it, what's my stop? About 9 pips, definitely is going to be more. Maybe I'll put it at this point. This is the highest point here. from here. Let's see. This is about 23 pips. So here is about 13 pips, but I'm going to ride it all the way to this point. That's about 47 pips. So it's almost 2 to 1. My risk is 24 pips. My profit is about 47 pips. Again, you can see the bigger trend. This is the bigger channel. Price can go down as much as this point, giving you 119 pips. So my first target is going to be here. My second target will be here. So here, my first target, 47 pips. This place will be my second target, 84 pips. And if I take it down, that's about 120 pips. Guys, this is typically how I do my technical analysis. But the waiting game is waiting for this to turn up to give me the right entry or rejection, like you saw here, maybe an engulfing candle. So that's where I have to wait. So I go back to 1 hour time frame to wait for this. And as soon as I find this condition complete, I will get into this trade and ride it all the way down. Guys, typically this is how I trade with my trade. Guys, on this channel, please comment on this channel, like this video, and share it. Very importantly, subscribe to this channel. Get the best of education. You can let me know what you want me to share with you, whatever part of training you want us to discuss, ranging from technical analysis to fundamental to sentiments to whatever it is. You can share with me on this one, and I will make a video for you. If I don't already have a video, I'll make a video for you to watch, and they provide you best education. Guys, Model Skills Academy is providing you the best education that you can ever get anywhere. Guess what? It's free of charge. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel and staying tuned with this channel. See you guys.